Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add notice and consent information to your HubSpot form or Popup form. This is especially important if you're collecting contact data and need to comply with privacy regulations like GDPR, ensuring your visitors understand how their information will be used. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, sign into your HubSpot account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one or start a free trial to follow along. After signing in, you should land directly on the HubSpot dashboard, which serves as your main hub for managing all your marketing tools. Now look over to the left navigation panel, hover your cursor over the option labeled Marketing. This will expand a submenu with several choices. From that expanded menu, click on Forms. This action opens the Forms area where you can create, edit, and manage all your form submissions. Once you're in the Forms area, locate the Create Form button in the upper right corner of your screen and click it. You may be prompted to choose the type of form you want to create, such as Form Editor or Legacy Form Editor. Select your preferred option, then click Next on the top right part of your screen to proceed. At this stage, you'll be asked to choose a template or start from scratch. Browse through the available templates that match your design goals, or simply select Start from Blank if you want full creative control over your form's layout. Now here's where we add the consent information. On the top left of your form editor screen, look for the plus icon. Clicking this will open an expanded window on your left side panel showing all the field options you can add to your form. In the Add to Form menu, look for the section named Other. Under this section, you'll find an option called Data Privacy. Click on Data Privacy to insert the consent fields into your form. Once the data privacy options appear, you'll be asked, how do you want to record permission from your contact? Click on the drop-down arrow and select the option that best fits your needs. This determines how consent is captured and stored. Another important option you'll see is, what consents do you want to collect? Under the subscription checkbox, you'll see a drop-down arrow. Click it and choose from the 3 available options based on your specific compliance requirements and how you plan to use the contact's data. And that's it. You've now added proper notice and consent information to your HubSpot form, ensuring your data collection practices are transparent and compliant. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.